Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here from Heinen's Grocery Stores, and I'm going to show you how to cook one of my favorite things of all time, and that is lobster tails. You will love how easy this is to do. Lobster tails are always available at Heinen's Grocery Stores. Sometimes we get them in fresh, but most often they are definitely in the freezer for you, and they range from 4 to 6 ounces all the way up to 12 and 14, which are huge and super delicious. Just like when I made those king crab legs, they are also very easy to prepare, and there are a couple ways you can do it. You can grill them and you can boil them. I'm going to show you a few easy tricks how to get it right and make sure they're absolutely delicious. The first one starting with oven baked. To prepare these, go ahead and hold the lobster tail in one hand, grab some sharp kitchen shears, and simply cut down the top part of the lobster tail all the way to the bottom part where the tail is. Don't cut through it though. Next, simply pull all of that lobster meat in the inside up above where your cut was and lay it gently on top of that lobster tail. Now we're going over to a cookie sheet tray that's been lined with parchment paper. This looks fantastic. What I like to do is add on just a little bit of melted butter. I like to, of course, season it with some salt, cracked black pepper, and then in traditional fashion, just a little bit of paprika. Now we're going to go right over to the oven on 400 degrees. It's going to take about 90 seconds per ounce. Since these are 6 ounces, we're looking at about 8 minutes total. Let's go ahead and pull them out of the oven. You can serve them as is. There's tons of flavor in there, or if you want, you can hook it up with a little bit of melted butter. Totally up to you. Now for the next method, and it's probably my favorite. It's a little bit more involved, but still incredibly easy, and it's called cooking them in a court bouillon. A court bouillon is just an incredibly flavorful liquid. We're going to sort of braise the lobster tails in there. They will infuse all that flavor. Oh my gosh, so good. And they only cook in like 4 to 5 minutes, which is fantastic. So go over to your cooktop, and in a pot, we're going to add in some water. Next thing I'm going to add in is some Chardonnay wine, maybe a little extra just because. Then squeeze in the juice of 1/2 lemon and go ahead and throw that lemon in there too. Next, I've got some onions, a little bit of celery. Now I've got some black peppercorns, some bay leaves. We're going to season it very well with salt. And what we want to do is crank the heat on to about medium. We don't want to boil it. We just want to get it to a nice simmer. Once it is at this stage, go ahead and add in your lobster tails. Again, maybe 4 minutes total for these small 5 to 6 ounce lobster tails. They will cook very quickly. You'll notice the shell will change color. They'll become bright red, just like you see here. Once they are done cooking, remove them from the court bouillon. We're just going over to a cutting board. I'm going to serve these up just a little bit different. I'm just going to slice them in half, just like this. Start from the tail, slice down. This looks great. You expose the meat, you still got that beautiful red shell. And if you've got a nice herb butter lying around, oh my goodness, so good on here. Just spread it all over there and boom, you will have yourself a fantastic meal, my friends. Super easy to prepare. Love both of these ways. Definitely try them. I promise you will never go back to cooking them any other way. Super good. Definitely try it. We'll see you next time.